Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to talk to someone at Craigslist. Now guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to craigslist.org to go and have the website in front of you. Then guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your account. But guys, if you do not have an account, you can always go and register to Craigslist. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Craigslist videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Craigslist official website where we have a lot of different options. So first of all, we have the things which you can go and see. You have the community, housing, jobs, we have the service, for sale, discussion forums, we have gigs and resumes here. Also, on the left side, we can see that we have the event calendar, we have some help about Craigslist, best of Craigslist, etc., etc. And also on the top right corner, we have the post button where you can go and post something that you want to post, something that you want to post on Craigslist. And also we have the account where you can go and see everything about your account. So your postings, drafts, your searches, and your settings. And here you have your new posting in. You can put the country where you want to do that. And here you can go and change the language on the right side also. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and talk to someone at Craigslist. Well, pretty much you need to go and find a post. Then when you find a post, you go to the post page. Basically here you can go and click on the post. And in the top right corner, you can go and have the chat with a person. When you click on reply in the top left corner here, you can reply to them and then you can start the chat. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.